In order to install the Visual Studio Code, first of all, we're gonna go on our browser. Here I'm gonna click on the Google Chrome, and on the search bar we're gonna write VS Code and hit the enter. As you can see, there is a Visual Studio site, and we will go in. So here there is a download option. We will click on that, and there is some different versions for different system operations. There's Windows operation, Linux, and macOS. So according to your system operator, you will click on one of these options, and my system operation is Windows. I'm gonna click on the user installer. If your system is 32-bit, you will click on the x86, and if your computer is 64, you will click on the 64. If you click on that, it will start to download. When the download ends, you should go to the download folder. I'm gonna go to download folder, and I'm gonna open it. So here I will accept the agreement. So I want to click the next, and there is an option, create a desktop icon. I'm gonna click it. I'm gonna click on the next option and install it. This is the installation of Visual Studio Code is so easy. I haven't installed this Visual Studio Code before, so I'm not install it again. So when the installation ends, you will go on the Visual Studio Code, and we will go on the File tab, and we will open a new folder, open folder, and we will open our favorite path. So here I'm going to click on the desktop, and here I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to click on new folder, and I'm going to select it, select folder, and it shows something like this. And inside that, here I'm going to create a, as you can see, there is a plus sign. I'm going to create new file. I'm going to click on that, and this is the name of our file. For example, if your project is in Python, you will name, for example, first.py or something like this. If your project is in C language, you may change the extension, for example, first.c or something like this. I'm going to change it to py, first.py, and this is your project, this is your environment. Inside that, you can write our code. For example, I want to write print hello world, and we want to open the terminal. There is 3 tabs. We will click on that. As you can see, it will open the terminal, and in order to run your project, you can click on this button here. It will run your project. Here is hello world, or you can write your codes here on the terminal, python first.py. Hit the enter, it will run your program hello world. As you can see, there is some tabs. This is the file explorer tab. There is your folder, your files, and this is the search tab. And the most important tab is here, extension. When you install your Visual Studio Code, you will click here. You may install the Python extension or C extension or other languages. And the next important thing is setting. When you click here on this gear, and there is some options, and here, as you can see, setting. You can also open the setting with Control plus comma, as you can see here, or Command plus comma in macOS. So I'm gonna click here, and inside this search bar, you can search any setting you want. For example, I want to search save, and there is every keyword that is related to save. So when you're done with setting, you may close this window, and also from here you can add another PowerShell. You may click here, and there is another PowerShell. You may write another code inside this PowerShell, and the other code inside the other PowerShell, and also you can delete them. When you click on this icon, it will be deleted. And also when you click on this Explorer tab, you'll see your folders and files. So this is the basic information about the VS Code environment. See you next video, and bye for now.